And never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
Good morning, William fam. Yes, sorry, I am up early. Oh gosh, I've been up since 6 o'clock. For some reason I could not go to sleep. Well, could not get back to sleep. But anyways, we are here getting ready. Me and the kids are going out. Yeah, finally getting out of the house. We definitely need to go out, so we taking you guys along with us today. Yeah, so I'm just finishing up. I just finished my makeup and stuff like that. Don't watch the hair. I thought about wearing it like this, you know, just nice, big and fluffy. It's the look. But no, I'm gonna fix it differently when I come back on. You guys will see it. So the kids them are literally getting dressed right now so we can head out, because there's so much going on in Toronto. It feels nice to be able to get up and go out, and we don't want to stay in the house. And since I have time where I could actually do something, I want to get out. I don't want to be inside because it's too nice to be inside. It's, what is it? It's summertime, so it's outside vibes. I've been inside, locked up, cooped up, caged up, burgled up, whatever you want to call it, since winter time, and the mood hasn't been so up there. So summer, for those that know me, know that summer is my, unless I am in a warm country all year round, then my vibes is always up, 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 up. Oh my gosh. So yeah, so we're pretty much just getting ready. That's what you're wearing, Memphis? What? What? That's what you're wearing?
What am I wearing?
Hello. Go take them off.
What?
Them now go something there.
Then what?
Switch up.
Then what?
So how you dress up so nice yesterday and then they wear that today? Lord have mercy. Come on, put yourself together, please. Thank you. Oh my goodness. So yeah, so I am just getting myself, I am a little bit tired, but we're gonna go see what the day has to offer. There's so much going on, in the city. That's for later. I gotta get you to help me string up.
I should try it on too.
That. String up that. I thought you were gonna wear shorts. I have those things I'm in there that will probably fit you. Maybe, maybe not.
Maybe. I don't know. Oh, this is a dress. Where did you wear this dress? I feel like I've seen this one though.
No, I haven't worn that dress.
Oh wait.
There I have a few stuff, a good amount of stuff in that closet that I haven't worn yet. So, but I'm saving it. I am saving it. Your girl needs a vacation. Yes, I need a real vacation, like a vacation in a hotel, like, but we will see. God's grace, I will be getting one this year. Hopefully, if Miss Rona doesn't raise her ugly head again, but you already know, numbers are already going up. So, but anyways, we gotta enjoy these moments right now in time, especially with my kids them growing up. I have to enjoy time with them because soon they don't want to hang out with their mother no more, much less their parents anymore. So what do you mean such a lie? So I gotta enjoy them while I can. Yeah. So let me finish, get myself together, and then I will come back. This one over here, like, she's literally shopping in my closet. Yeah, so I guess that is one moment that she's always waited for when she was a kid, is to be old enough and almost the same size as me that she can shop in my closet. Hello, don't look at me like that. What do you mean? So what are you trying to say? I'm big?
No,
I wear size medium. No, but that's okay. Oh, your hands are cold, Fate.
I know.
Oh, so she could shop in my closet because from she was little, she always used to be in my heels and put on my dress that couldn't even fit her, that she always used to trip and fall down the stairs in. Oh, memories, memories. But I can't find all those videos. Actually, I think I have them on my old computer. I found some of them with her in my with my purse and my heels on. But anyways, come Rissa. So Rissa, all look at this, guys. You see how tall Rissa is now? Like literally. Let me see where my shoulder is.
What are you eating?
Gum that you gave me.
I give you.
She is almost. Rissa's almost taller than me in Fate. And she's the youngest.
Okay, she's not almost
come
taller
on,
than me. I'm pretty sure she's taller than me. See, this is why I need to drink milk. You need to start buying milk. I drink no milk,
Faith,
so there is no
you look at this. You look like milk. You need some sun, girl. Oh gosh, it's summertime and you still have your winter color. You need sun. You look pale as no tomorrow, but I love you same way.
Oh, my handsome boyfriend.
Huh?
Ew.
That look better.
Can you find me the thing that you're talking about? Oh my god.
I didn't go kill you. All right, so we are finally ready. So this is the end result. Told you I was gonna switch it up. I decided not to leave it puffy. I wanted to go for that wet water look. So we are going to head out now because we were supposed to be gone half an hour ago and now it is well after 12. So we need to go if we're gonna catch this thing because it is a crazy day. There's a few places that we wanted to go to, so let's go. You guys are gonna show you everybody is out and enjoying their summer, so it's just nice. So let's go, guys, because we are running late. All right, guys, so we're finally leaving out. We finally left out, but the traffic is crazy. Crazy. Everybody outside doing something today, so we are over an hour behind because of these kids.
Actually, technically, we're 59 minutes. Well, I know left because we left out before 12:30.
Yeah, we were supposed to leave out from 11:30 and now at 12:30. Well, 12:30, yeah, because this clock is 2 minutes ahead. So, but with traffic, it's going to be a while. Yeah, because the highway look crazy busy. So here we go. That's where we're heading up there. Holy cow. Everybody out. Okay, mailbox side. Up on the traffic. Holy. Go John and look where I go. I just the traffic. We literally just reached, couldn't even get parking. It is crazy busy out here. Everybody coming, everybody at 5 parking. Oh gosh. All right.
See, as soon as I step out here, I have a headache.
Did you want a pair of glasses?
Oh, do you have any?
In the car.
In the car.
Memphis. So we're almost there. You can see the jump up already. Look, there's police down here like crazy. Well, Canada has been missing out on all of this. Now this is what we call celebration. Woo, I can't wait for the adult one. Oh gosh.
Let's go. Let's go.
coming down. They're following. It's going all the way down. Yeah, you guys did this when you guys were little. So for the bigger adults, that's how it's going to be. But what more? And their costume is more. Yeah. And they will have liquor, food, everything, music, party. Let me stand up here for a second. Stand up here for a second. Tired. So everybody have their different sounds. Let's go into that. So everybody, every culture, like Caribbean island, they have their different flags. So you will see them, their flag and stuff. Yeah, that's why nobody can drive one. So they block off the way up some. Well, guys, we here crazy. So we actually watching everybody there party. They're blocking now. See him in that blue shorts or so. My business. Look at the guys over there. Look at the boy over there to the house.
find food.
Where? nothing yet. Sound of nothing.
Did you just see that?
Girl?
The line goes straight up and then pump pump. Split in half.
They purposely pull it up there.
Oh my god.
Ah, look, she not even hold her daughter and he walk left in Pitney.
Yeah, and he walk like it's not like she walk with her like that. She walk with them like wide open, like so.
You're not gonna jump away the flag. Oh, they have great stuff over there. Eh? So they have the great stuff them over there. See, look, there's somebody pulling this, you know, this here. Yeah, somebody in there. See, it's one of the bigger costumes.
One of the contestants that pulled that.
Yeah.
Freaking mom.
Oh, hell no. Yeah, and there's people from the islands that are here too.
Just past America and come from. You can definitely hear it. It sounds like Atlanta specifically. No mid, no night.
I know, because it's all the way down.
Oh, look at the little baby. Yeah, they have stuff. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go see if we can. They have bouncy castle. We're gonna see if we can go get some food.
I'm going to keep them right with
So
Alright guys, so I got myself some grits, so I'm gonna find drinks and we get potty. So we're going to go sit down and eat because we are hungry. Isn't that cold?
Alright. Whew. So we all just got back in the car.
After behind a crack him.
Fate's itchy. So we're all eating some festival, patty, jerk chicken, and what else?
Look at that.
And fries.
Oh my god, I'm bleeding.
So
Makes money jealous.
you remember with everything too.
Go fried.
I don't think these are gonna same as what's the name. So yeah, we're gonna finish eat and then we're going to head home. Oh god, I got a few errands that I gotta run and then I gotta be elsewhere. Yes. Alright, so we finally made it home. Oh goodness, I'm so tired. Oh lord. Oh guys, I'm exhausted, but it was a nice little family outing, so can't complain.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day. You want